Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, number one educational speaker in the whole world. Apa is your host with the most. And first and foremost, bafethu, ngifuna ukuqala futhi njengenjwayelo ngokubonga kuma-subscribers wethu. Siyabona niyangena bafethu, siyayibona lento. And siyabona ukuthi niya-engage kuma-video wethu bafethu, and you can do that more. Thank you. Uyabona kwesinye isikhathi bafethu, masisebenza nabantu, kubalulekile ukuthi abantu ba-responde, and abantu ba-responda ngendlela positive, sometimes even nangendlela engekho positive, uyabona, it is also positive because they bayakusiza labo bantu. They are a big help, uyabona, in our improvement.
They help you see yourself better.
Yes, they make us better, uyabona. Yeah, some we know they don't criticize us in a bad way. Yabona. Yeah, it's a constructive criticism, my brother. Yabona. So I appreciate every engagement. Yabona. Thank you very much, bafethu. Sijabulile namhlanje. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, bafethu. Ngiyathemba ukuthi simnandi. Abanye asibona singakayi emasontweni, abanye sibona sesibuyile. Sonke siyanthanda, bafethu. And the promise I made is the same promise I'm gonna keep. You know, yeah. Singena manje kuma Air Force 4 manje. Yabona. Yeah. Nabo abantu njengabantu bonke bafethu. Iboshwa njengezinye iboshwa nabo. Nabo igangsterism njengawonke ama-gangsterism asejele. Nayo iyingozi. Yabona. But mina ezingikunika zona manje, ngikunika lezi zinto ukuthi uzijajele wena, because most yezinto zenombolo azaziwa ubungozi bayo, kwaziwa nje ubugrand bayo ngabanikazi bayo, because they will go lento le ine-discipline, umthetho, as we call it, it's the law. Uyangithola? Yeah, umthetho, and siyabhekelana singabafethu laphayana, uyabona, siyasizana, siyalwelana. Uyangi-understand, my brother? Yeah, but whereas iqala kwelakho ele-one elikulethe lapho, elakho e-one, yabo, and nabazali bakho bawaridi ngawe we-one, and even the pain of being imprisonment uzoyizwa we-one. Yabona. So mawufika laphayana ujoyina le inombolo lezi, usuyi Air Force 4, usunabafweni manje abasha, usunabantu ophila nabo abasha, usunabantu ozibophile ngabo abasha, and that make you automatically divorce
from your old life.
From your old life. Laba bekwabantu bakini abaclose kuwe, they are not so close anymore, simply because of inombolo leyo uyijoyinile. Yabo, sekumngani wakho lo, sekubro wakho lo, sekugazi lakho, sekazofala ufa khona, sekugazi lwakho, and it's not even your brother, you don't even know him. You understand? But you never said that to your brothers, biologically. But lo uzoyisho lento ukuthi ngizofala ufa khona, because namagama wenombolo kunala hamba afika asho kanjalo. Wabona, ore ke tlo shwa mo shwang teng. Dinomoro kaofela di na le mantswe ao, in their own language, in their own ways. One shot to show that wa itlama.
It's a vow, basically.
Yeah. And again, that makes me, before I can go on, my brother, there is this thing I was asking myself about. Tell me here, a cult, right? CULT,
Yes.
cult, and a culture. Ikopana ka ntho tse.
Yeah, it's like that.
Ha di hlakana.
Yes, I feel like the other one is inclusive,
Yeah.
then the other is exclusive.
But which means it's the same thing.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, that's what those words are related,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Cult, culture.
Yes.
So we have culture,
Yes.
ne? Isn't that cult?
In a way, it is. but then it's inviting. Unlike, for example,
Cult, which means there are rooms that we're gonna say no,
yeah, exactly.
Exactly. That's now a cult.
A cult, yes.
All right. If it's a culture, it's inviting.
Everyone is.
All right. I understand though. But because Modi family more has a culture, o tla bona ba ba ra ngapha sifuna basendlini kuphela. Oh anjalo. Le bona ntse ba tshojalo, but it's talk for another day bafethu leyo. Yangithola. Yeah. So my Air Force 4 bafethu le bona ba baleya just like my Air Force 3. Zabo azikhwetshele just like my Air Force 3. Adiyo le bona tsa bona tronko. But they vowed le bona or they won't spend time in prison. And that is what they are gonna pay attention to.
Yes.
But in fact, bona, I'd like to say, but to understand, my brother, they are not running away.
Yes.
Like Air Force 3.
They are breaking up.
Bona, they are forcing themselves out.
Yeah.
That's the difference between Air Force 3 and Air Force 4. Air Force 4, by fire, by force. O so about a year away. O tanda ungathanda. Balotswada. Batho. So, have a lotswada of it. Where's a la danger ngata da?
Yes.
Habolawana da. Hale matsana da. Ba bang batho ba tlo bofiwa da. Maponesa bofiwa kwa lule somewhere. Yeah. So, it's another case on top of escape. I got to escape alone.
Yes, it's a charge.
Without permission, it's an escape there.
Yes.
Mara jwanong e mixed le di case tse di. Tsa o lematsa maponesa tsa o bofa maponesa tsa o ba khomba ka dithunya or whatever that you had. Wa bona. Ntho o e sebedisitseng a weapon. It's another case on its own. So le bona obvious ba tila ka lekasi. That is why we argue between the 28 and the Air Force 4. But 8, half a day 4. So, back the baby baba. So, ba o tla utlwa ba re no. A le re jwetse ntwe. Re ikemetse rona. Why understand that idea? We ikemetse rona. But hey, ba kopana somehow ka madi. Le kontweng there are alliances. Like Big 5 and Air Force 3, as I said. Le bona ma Air Force 4 now. Ki the alliance it's Air Force 28. If my 28 need a military power, they can go to Air Force 4. Air Force 4 can go to 28 because makopana ka madi. Ke mo tlo utlwisisa go jwale demonic. How can you sign up? You subscribe to blood, which is not yours. Okay, subscribe to your blood. But now you subscribe to a blood that is not yours. But my Air Force 4 bona by this blood side. As in, if you are standing in their way when they want to go out of the prison. If you stand in their way, then that's when you're gonna get hurt. That's when you're gonna get hurt. And only the punishment I didn't mention it to the last video on Air Force 3. Air Force 3 Leon, punishment there if you are one of them and a washopa. Last punishment, last one it will be chasing you away out of prison. We give you 3 days or 3 hours or what. Yeah, to disappear in prison. How would you do that? Yeah. Same as Lebo number 4. Air Force 4. Lebo, now their last punishment before killing you. They will chase you away. Why? And Lebo Bambatlanka advantage because it's their job. But the way Limbi Makate, my brother, how about Swarada? Like Namunekelte, stuff back. Hannibal Swar. There is this guy Air Force 4. But he didn't use force. He didn't use force. a monitor hona le batho go thweng ke di monitor ba tsamaya ba lo kwala dipompo wa bona those taps that are watering the gardens ditshimo da wa bona tse kgolo tse bona ba tsamaya ba lo di kwala and they are outside until late bo ma 6 one shot bo ma 5-6 they are outside until those times and then bona motho o wa FS4 abanka opportunity eo abaleya a tsoka a kera ba searchiwe ha batswa and ba tswa ka bo ma 5-6 bona aba searchiwe o itsola ka kriva ya ha ya ba ile paiki da ka nto kentse di aparo tse ding ka motlase wa bona wa tswa fihla strateng da ditshimong da diplasing wa change wa bona a keta wa kena ka nto ba tlo motshwara. My brother, the following day, they brought him in for Remone, but about straight to Remone. Ba mo tlisa fela re tlo bona a tlo lata diphahlo tsa hae. Yeah, myself, ba mo khapa. Ba mo file ka di chain. Le molala o. Ba mo hona le chain tsa itre my brother. Tseka le ntja e bo fiwe jwalo. Ba mo file molala ne. Ba mo file matsoho. Ba mo bo file maoto. They all come to one chain. E ba itshwege. O mokana. My brother ba mo rotse ene ne le ntwana ne le thakatsaka kana ko tseo maybe nana le bo ma 22 le ba mo rotse blind the whole night ko polanka diphahlo tsa hae da a utshengwe mo botsa feta mnyako wa bona ore my brother ba khawatshile labantu a re mfethu busuku bonke yeah a re busuku bonke mfethu wa bona so let's say now overlay successful baka montle o tlogile tsa jwa ha dula le wena ko ntlong motho jwalo wa mmatla wena ngwana ha wa ile tronkong a gutla sa chesa jwalo a sa a lelekiswa ke maponesa let's say sa bolele le ponesa ore yena se yena ka letsola hae mara le ponesa le shwele in their escape ke kotsi ntho e that is why nagere ba bang ha bana di ID even today ba bang ba tshintshile mabitso my brother ba bang ba dula strateng wa bona mo strateng mo ko di hobo I'm telling you my first fall my first try atenda not to say balapa not to say ona mo ba dulang plus you need to zoom ro bone di incident tse jwalo wa bona I just can't explain but nna ke na le bona di hobo ke di sheba ke feta ka taxi or ke feta ka maoto ke ra o nka mo ka ino le ke lo mo tlapisa menwana o a chesa ke mmona you understand mara not to say batho kaofela ba tla ba bona my brother but I'm telling you my FS4 ka lebaka la hore the world now is becoming small for them how chase how batluwa ka mo le ka mo my brother the world is becoming small lwe ha sa tseba mo balela so ba bang ba baletse strateng ba bang ba disa di kgomo kwa thabeng just to survive outside o ba le ya ntho a entseng so let's say ngwana hao wa tshwara ne ha ka ta tshwara o joina Air Force 4 one shot so ha ka ta joina Air Force 4 wa baleya mama ba mo tshwara wa bona e tlo qena kae e tlo qena mo ileng hore le lona o so tshela mopata you are hiding this guy now ale ka kopana le maponesa bohlale le ka one ya lona ka tshwarwa kontlu or maponesa corrupt o batla kwala case and o batla o thunya mthako la mo bolaya ha o hlopha maponesa o bola at side right o answer mo bolaya you'll be lucky to survive those bullets and be alive still you'll be lucky but batla o thunya wa bona so all I was saying bafetho tseka tse ding ha ba fihla ka ntle hence ne ke botsa hore gate ya o tswa e kae nna mo ba ile ba tatatsela fela this thing is mentally bafetho wa bona go tlula ka re ma chance shoot video le ntse gate ya o tswa no one did and I didn't blame them because I hear fela wa bona but nna ke le nna ke re ha iyo o kene wa bona ntho e tlo dula le wena ke re o kentse ka kelello e tlo dula le wena you're gonna think like that for the rest of your life unless you take power of your mind you take power. Wena o shifte your mindset now.
Yes.
One shot. You can't. It's like motopets in Spetlele, my brother, 6 years, 3 years, 6 months. How can they forget that experience? Same as prison, you can't forget. You can tell no more.
On top of that.
Yeah. So now I was saying, if you are a mother, how old? Protect her now.
Yes.
Make sure about the fight. I know no influence of the drugs. Make sure now advocate for the drugs. Because you are the living example.
Of what can happen.
Yeah. Don't say nakelemetse hey fat. Like those guys ba shapa molao ka ntlha ba fitla ba thauta.
Yes. They recruit more.
They recruit our boys and girls here. Why wa motloela? Or maybe anae na bana na o phela go tronkong ine na o takege. Ba bang dimedi tsa bona di ba jwetsa di le abale pregnant. Because mfethu monna o shapa molao. Medially on or you can't support this child for the rest of their lives. You can disappear anytime when. Ubutse basadi ba machita gala ba tla ke maponesa ba tswa ka matsoele bosigo. Amaponesa a fihla da ebile especially o bolaile le ponesa. Le tlo fihla lona ba sancenga ba fihla kontlung da. Just think about you ba bolaya colleague ya hao. Think about you guys. And machita la katanda ma president order ba fethu. Le bona ba spanela bana ba bona. Wang understand my brother. Although baba ngotholore baba involved ko di nomoro. Wang understand. But the situation there is different. Baba involved kankane my brother.
Yes.
Will I implement a high one? I tatile high one in this bush. Azanga sa khona utso. I understand that already. Baba ngeke megolo and then oba corrupt mogolo monyane lifestyle ya hae golo. O ba abe corrupt. Obana a ka se le ka chelete my brother. Hona le di right protocol tsa o la ka chelete. Wa bona if a la ka chelete o tseba di melao ke a ka se etse corruption a bare o lwantsha re yena ha gole. Why sabotage? Wa bona so mara here I was saying those guys again Buffett we must think like ke choka ma Air Force 4 ke ba attack batho ba straight.
Yes.
Wa bona ba attack batho ba straight. So it's very painful. Wa bona ba tlo khunka hape le bona batho ba ba be le di wrong experiences. Wa bona ba ba ma prison order ke system bona self ne ba le right. Ha ba right ba corrupt tlo maponesa mangata corrupt da. So o tlo ba right jwa. It's highly impossible. One shot. So now I was saying together let's fight gangsterism. Wa bona yeah mlawa wa lo ka prior ka is demonic. We tlamme forever. Wena batho ba kolona abasa wetha next ko wena abasa wetha next ko wena I know gona le ba fethu ba shiftile ndingqondo ba etsa right ba iphilela maphelo a bona. They don't need anything to do with this.
Yes.
But they know by ngotse. I just wish smart le bona they can do their part. Not by talking, by the way that they are living a good life. I say salute guys. You are contributing.
Yes.
Wa bona gore o iphelela phelo ba hao fela o ska hlola ntso pepepe o shebe family mfana semse o phelela o shebe life ya hao. You are also contributing.
Yes.
Ekubeni gangsterism down.
Yes.
Because you saw it in a second asiyona. We born. Asiyona. Wa bona yeah we born. Talking about we born. Ona le batho ba phetseng life eo my brother.
Yes.
Mara ba millions ba feta ba social media. Social media is only a half full of head.
Yes.
Wa
Ones
bona
which are willing to speak up.
those who are willing to speak up. But the millions ba iphelela maphelo a right. But there are those who are recruiting. I'm against those. I'm saying guys please ba feta o helang bana ba rona ba feta. Bana ba khutla ba khabatha batswadi ba khabatha mphakathi ba khabatha sitshaba which is not okay. And then nakele apha ko bone ka mahlo ngobone ngose umthetho ukuthi awusebenzi lento.
Yes.
Lento ayisebenzi ngibone ngawo wonke ama site. Hence I'm inviting everyone.
Yes.
O tlantshetsa otherwise or adumelana le nna wa bona tshwenyana tse jwalo mfethu or with your different story wena o kileng wa se bona ka molao.
A different lesson.
A different lesson because the lesson e dingata my brother.
Yes.
Until the lesson e dingata ke santsane ke bua ka batho ba ileng ba thola fela my brother. on top ona le batho ba iphelela maphelo a bona mara in a different re bangata ba bang they are in business tsa bona di qadile tronko you understand until it pushes on. I'm not saying it's not a legit business because it started in prison. No, it's a legit. Think about it. NPO maybe.
Yes.
Or what? Like my brother Miles Golden Pudu. That hot man. I learned that, my brother.
Miles Budu. I don't think I've heard that one before. Is he also part of the 24?
No. Miles Budu. No, Khotmane, but he's an ex-convict.
Yes.
Obon. Utswile khale.
Right.
Long before me. Boma early 90s, 1991.
Okay.
Yeah. After that, he was an activist.
Yes.
Wabon. He was an activist. Abuela, like he was an activist for prisoners' rights.
Okay.
Most entertaining jailbreak. Into abayenzile babambe abofader lapha esibhedlela babakhumulisa impahla zabo bagcoke impahla zabo ejele ngalenza labancane. I then found out later ukuthi the big fives pimped me to say, look, this guy at night he talks about Mandela. Who's Mandela? Yeah. Bephuma obdra ukuthi bakhipha ilihlo mawuphapha lapha.
Ngelipuna
Yeah, bayingcono
nabe ngabashangilosi ngaphandle.
Vele. Phela kunamajita kuphela. And it was never allowed according to the book.
Yeah.
Ibhuku lakangelikijana nongoloza.
Okay.
Yes. He advocated for prisoners.
Yes.
Their rights.
Okay.
On top.
Yeah.
So, as a Grotman, can respect that all.
Yes.
Too much. Wabona. As a Grotman, ubane rona re hodisitswe motho moholo, it doesn't matter who he is or who she is.
Yes.
Wa respect. I understand. But now, what I'm gonna judge now is Miles Budu as an activist.
Okay.
Yes. I want that to be clear. Uska tlo thika mo attack or something. Oh yeah, na if aka kopana le video wabona.
Yes.
Aska re ai le yang attack. Ngikhuluma ngaye manje as an ex-convict, as an activist.
Yes.
Wabona. Because nami I'm one of the ex-convict bafowethu wabona. Since some trust Miles.
Why?
Because mone ke zola teng.
Yes.
Like the tronko wabona.
Yeah.
I kile ka kopana le mathata early. Late 90s. Na le famous blind. Wabona. Na le famous blind there itsa di stand itlama ka di chain. Wabona a kentse di reflect ka da itlama ka di chain da. A lwanela di right tsa di bosho.
Yes.
I understand my brother ne. Yeah, so machita nalla kae as a person who is gonna help. Wabona to their problems again.
Yes.
Yeah, ba tshwaretswe eng machita tshwere jwang mo tronkong isimo yonke le yonto yabona. Ba palelo Miles Budu. Mina that's how ngimaze ngakho. Wabona. Ba palelo Miles Budu amachita ndoda. Heaven. Miles Budu this, Miles Budu uphendule la Miles Budu akakaphenduli, Miles Budu akakaphenduli. Angazi ngayibona incwadi ephenduliwe and mina ngibone over 50 mfowethu. I'm not joking here.
Yeah.
Over 50 amachita. Ne abhalelo Miles Budu angaphenduli.
Yes.
Wabona. Kwayenzeka mgwetjwa mfowethu. Ngithola. Mangigwetjwa 1998. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken there. Wabona.
Yes.
Yeah. It's just that maybe I don't have it on record. But I get to meet Miles Budu
No, Miles Budu.
flesh to flesh now. But it was just a limited time.
Short interaction.
Yeah, because natlile ko tronkong ko Stoffberg. Wabona, talking about our right. Bafethu ningavumi lokhu nivume lokhu ningavumi lokhu ma chance. Hola Miles Budu, hola Miles Budu. Hola. Uyangithola? Simphakamisela da. I went to him after the whole event. Mase bahamba.
Yes.
Before I kena di office la. Kena ke emele na mnyako ka re Miles. Arola. I was a light in. I could see there hore ke Grotman e batla respect. Without gore le yana wa re tshwetsa hore o tswa yi. But ke Grotman. ka mo hlompha wa bona Grootman no entle ke tshwaretse ntho ke sa tsebeng hiso Grootman nna ke dula fair ko dlatleng a ba tsebe ke ko kae ene nna ke dula le macrisa ko ntlong ene nna ona motho tlo mpesukang bona ke apere jwang kana go tswa ke apere diaparo tsa lenyowan tronkong fethu batho tse sa tshwaneng mare tse tshwanang you understand ya di tshwana mare di a tshwana ke apere diaparo tsa mabanta na ba bitsa pitori wa bona ya bore go bona le pokoto tse ithu ka mo morao di bonong ka re tight wa ngana se ne ka apere jwalo mapra wa bona ke re promise o tla nthusa o wa tseba ntho ile nga etsa ke empire am phaphatha le hetla a re so bona ngenza njani chope
that was
e bele ro kene di officing wire that's when I prove for it tamalsi ka tshepa le nna like machenza na tshepa le nna ke le ka tshepa plus nna ke buile le ena mlomo le mlomo although it was second but even today la ka rang hopole I won't blame him because of his reaction his answer his reply to my plea was not satisfying my brother you understand ka hanyane proof atabora mthabo entle go etsa
something is fish
ke ipotsa ke re kapo o spanela ba Josi because he was famous haholo ko Lokop yena wa bona ko Lokop mfethu ne gona ne re bitsa tropong Lokop yeah because all these celebrities ne ba ya da so ru utlwa re le di talent bo Mamambo Atamafokate bo Chomosono banka di talent there's that possibility wa bona re createile eng ho rona ngqondong kana kweo o createile re nema no shora ka Lokop dintho di ka tsatsa wa bona le nna ne ke batla Lokop mfethu wa bona because more of my people my relatives ba ko Josi so Lokop it will be convenience close at home wa bona so I Miles Budu azanga nkara wa bona since nna ke na le di doubt since ke sa trust the organization ya high remember bafethu ha ke bui ka Miles Budu as a person I'm not attacking that guy I respect that man ke bua ke if ke am attacker as an activist wa bona whereby ne tlamilang sebeletse le nna personal wa bona ke mo kopile le batho ba bang ba baya azanga thusa batho organization ya South African prisoners women right what I as an ex up until my brother so all right re lebetse ya lebalwa ma 2000 I tsebe no that organization
hence I didn't know the nigga
one thola my brother go jetsa le ba tshwerwe le ba tswang tronko ma 2000 aba itsebe that organization why it declined instead of going up my brother kamele be more famous because ke organization a grand we can all in all the idea but I'm gonna blame Miles Budu obane ke ena the head ke ena the face it doesn't address issues ya di boshwa ka fela I was wondering why all along my brother I was wondering why until Miles Budu ke bona sa bua taba ya matlala
I wonder whether the relatives the immediate and extended families of Busmuzi the Black Cat Matlala has been informed that we are removing him here now. If you want to come and visit him, you must go all the way to Kokstad. And by the way, Kokstad is a CMEX, and he was also held at the CMEX.
Cat
Matlala, the famous one.
Yes.
Why a tloswa ko Mampuru a iswa ko e Bongweni present. O lwanela ntwe hore it was not the right correctional service ya sebetsa ka di right Grootman butle pele da a o tla ka yo braya ka o nyolla high blood hobane ke tshoswa gona ne re moviwa re traela ola lo re moviwa brawaka go sena mangareng eng o batla ha o batla more especially ha o sokodisa tronkonyo plus I'm talking from experience nna ne ke shapa batho tronko ke ba kwatsisa nthola my brother so they will move me banguke bangise ona le kae Miles Budu asa tlompuela he in that situation obane Cat Matlala wa trial o di kena kae what if correctional service mfethu e bona re da ho kotsi da Hona le something else re sa utlwisising. Plus ke bona ba responsible.
Yes.
Wang understand my brother. Ana right ya kena right. I don't know melao ya bona ke tsebe ke manifesto.
Yes.
Wa bona a ke tsebe prayaka. Wa bona hoba no matlala famous. Jale emfa idea ya ho tshore Miles Budu. O buella the high profile prisoners. Yeah. O buella the high profile prisoners. Hobane ke motlwile ona le teng ko podcasting ya Against the Wall.
Yes.
Wa bona a bua ka di high profile prisoners. Wa bona kara Tamales. No. Dilight di timme braka bula mnyako hanyana.
Okay.
Yeah, open the door so that people can see me. Yeah. One tell my brother.
Yes.
Hey. Ubuela the high profile prisoners. As he told the podcasting ye hore. How ubuti jwang organization ye. Yeah. Wa e kadile ka batho ba go MK ha cho story. Ba MK masola khale ba exile wa bona. Ba ne ba tshwere so aba ba troela map wa o tswa wa o baleya. You understand? So yena hona tja ba mo recognize but not in that way halle but walla ku utlwile nna hore ba mo recognize in hobane ba entse mission o le bona. They were elders than ba the group.
Okay.
Unkile ba ithuba grote so o mo podile o mo ntsa lieva. So he asked to him hore a tla tlo bua story. What does he want to achieve about that? Hobane nna ke re as an ex-convict a wa sebetsa phayaka.
Yes.
A wa sebetsa wena o no kgetha ba nang le nyongo ona kgetha ba nang le nyongo fela hobane e kadiwa ke ma ANC mo se we beile ntwe kona ke understandang now okay ke ma ANC a ikadileng hore a bule organization hore a tlo ba buella hantse ba tshwarwa. It made sense to me ha ke mo mametse ko podcasting. It answered all my doubts ka yena Miles Budu. Understand my brother. So nagre my brother as an activist I was a fuck. What's our next, my brother? Never go insult. That is why as a hot man, I respect you too much. But what's our next, my brother? When I good are only the offer from a site. It's an edit about our bribe. Remember, Nkanyo go to Elentose. Nkanyo go to Elentose. What's about turns on Rascading again? I saw a hadinka. But in terms of our Timanian, my brother.
Yes.
In terms of asking kada e khuteste di priping tseo go bane ona le shock a ANC hore tlo moshabela. Now that's what I heard ko podcasting ha bua.
Yes.
Ke thotse answer e orai ona le shock e kante ba tlo moshabisetsa fatshe ma ANC jale se bile ba lata personal ra ha ba recognize ke batla mamang a tlo bua ka bane o re sele masole sele eng ba tswa ko exile wa bona se now wa bona re hana nyongo o tsho ba mshashaile. Yeah, they use their education. Plus ke bone wa hlalosa le yena o ntse bo physics ka sebugu a tsa di mathematics ka sebugu eng wa bona. Yeah, one understand my brother. So as an activist I khona Miles a wa spana prayaka wa bona ho bona la rwena o no tshwana le bona ba le ba apartheid. O no spanela ba sharp o no kgetha banang le nyongo no le molao o sebeletsang banang le nyongo prayaka wa bona o ka etsa di statistics prayaka ka tla le nna ka lo ga ya bo Free State ra ya di provinces tse ding prayaka ra bua ka ba senang tšhelete ro ba sebeleditse na or they even knew about you wa bona so prayaka wena o ba file sethunya wa ithunya ka sona. You understand? ANC promised you a lot. Recently, no so wachiga wabula le political party. Kayona the very same organization. Ya the prisoners' right. Kucho kona shebile go mapantita tlo ya ka morae. Ai bra. Wena no shebile ba nang le nyoko tsho go la no tlile ko Stoffberg. Na still assume gore o no tlo search ba nang le nyoko ke ba fe. Ba thola re ngwana nggono ke ena phaphanga tla ka morao. Wa bona ntsa pota ro tshwaretse ntwa sa itsebe. So when Abrayaka, you are not there for prisoners. Unless Okobochilo or South African prisoners, high profile prisoners.
Yes, high profile prisoners.
Yeah, you should have mentioned that at least. nna motho a buang Far Brega ke rata ena kona those days ba fetotsa di leader tse maka tse corrupt Chifta side in Brayaka but again I'm not fighting for that chair
Yes.
plus until I'm not that educated
Yes.
wa bona my brother but askana na ha re se educated we are stupid
Yeah.
re shebile Brayaka ra o tseba o ne etsa di stand o ema bo di airport mo kanti o etsetsa nyo wena
Yes. For you.
Yeah.
Not the prisoners.
yeah we batlisang political joint organization ya di ex-convict and what's about mistake e one ke batlang go hlalosa before I close it my brother mistake e one ke bona Miles ko organization ya hao wena you advocated for prisoners right but you forgot about the victims
Yes.
you only talk about the victims hobane somebody are wa bona because bane ba o phikisa bane ba lla ka di victim re la bantu ba bulele in mara he was not so active
Yes.
about the victims ona lona la go di mapanti tabe le di phone ga lo ntse na le phone Telkom di ditenda ga phone ka di card ka nako ka mthetho di phone di etsa ntho tse ngata tse gopo gore man di phone di khona tsa maisa crime from Tronco to here wa bona ka di plasma le teng di high profile ah Brayaka na as an activist Hotman I'm very disappointed you can't go down as a hero to me
Yes.
Wabona yeah I say even now if you are still ahead of that organization step aside Hotman
Yes.
step aside wena ba o rekile gale Brayaka we bula ntwe
Yes.
we bula ntwe ke ma exile ke bo mkhonto wesizwe ba gale so today abasa o sheba kutlwile walla wa khela o ga uzuma la zuma ke wantse nna ke itse gara malse walla ba mropile ma ANC it was like he's a rat
Yes.
that's seeing a cheese on top of the tray and this rat does not realize or this cheese
He's on the track.
is on the tray thank you Hade Grootman step aside you're reigning defending undisputed #1 educational speaker in the whole world thank you bafethu siyabonga ngama subscription wenu siyaxolisa ngama light aqimayo bafethu it shows ukuthi sishota ngama subscription kancane nje siyabonga till next Sunday